Y'all know it's summertime and we all need something refreshing. And if you like me, you love you some ginger ale soda. So we're gonna make us some homemade ginger ale soda. Quick and easy, baby. And oh so delicious. Yeah. All right, family, like I say, quick and easy. We're gonna start off, we're gonna get our ginger. Let's go ahead and break it, make it a little easier. Let's get our ginger peeled. It don't have to be completely unless you want to. Just make sure you wash it. And we're just gonna get it peeled. If you want to do the whole, totally peel it, that's fine. But like the little nicks and crannies, that can become a headache. So, yeah, no, we trying to do this quick and easy. And plus, the skin has also some goodness to it, just like the inside itself. All right. Just get everything peeled. Make sure you get off any open spots like this that done dried out. Make sure you get that out of there. Just gonna get this last one just peeled up, peeled off, and we're gonna be ready to move on to our next step. So now we're gonna do slice our ginger. So kind of thinly, or thin, not thinly. Just slice it as such. There we go. Just get them all sliced up. Just like that. I'm just cutting them different ways. Since my knife is not as sharp as I need it to be, I don't want it to slip and cut my finger. That'll be no good. I need my fingers. So we're gonna turn it that way, just like that. So just get them sliced up. And as you can see, they gave us 1 cup exactly. That's what we need. With 2 cups of water, ginger in there, a little lime zest. Try not to get the white part of it. Get as close, as far as from the white part as you can. Drop that in now. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Get a 1/2 cup of sugar, or brown sugar. And we're just gonna stir it till it dissolves. That's the hard part, y'all. All we gotta do is just let it boil down for another 15, 20 minutes. Drop us some lime juice in there. And that's gonna be it. We're gonna let it cool first. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be out. It's been about 15 minutes. So let's just give it a stir. Make sure everything is everything. I mean, it's smelling delicious. Oh yeah. All right, so now let's go ahead and turn off our heat. Pop a lid on that thing. Let it sit for about another 20, 25 minutes. We're gonna be almost there. We turned our heat off. Just give it a stir and make sure everything is everything. Let's take 1/2 of our lime that we zest. Let's just get some lime juice in there. There we go. Right here, you can taste it. Just don't burn yourself. See if you want to add just some more sugar, or if you want to add just some more water, or if you want to add just some more lime. We're pretty much finished with it. We just gotta sit back and let it cool for a minute. No, we're gonna strain it. I take that back. We're gonna strain it. Oh yeah, that's it. Now we're just going to get it strained. Go ahead and use my measuring cup. That's as big as I have. So there we go. Get it all out of there. Let's take our spoon and just mash on that ginger some more. Squeeze out what little bit is left in the ginger. Just like that. Get all of it, baby. Yeah. Everything is all finished. We got our syrup, our ginger syrup over here resting. It's cool and ready to make our drink. Get some ice in our glass, cup, whatever you're using. Delicious ginger syrup in there. Oh yeah. There we go. That in there. Club soda in there. Straw. Give it a good little mix. All right, before we finish, let's go ahead and get us some lemon wedge on there. Cut your little slit right here. Where you can stick it on the cup and make it look pretty. All right, family, that is it. That is all. Just made us some delicious ginger ale, y'all. Homemade ginger ale. Save your money. You ain't gotta buy that from the store no more. Cause here it is right here. Oh, now this some ginger ale right here. This some ginger ale right here. That's it, baby. That's it. So make sure you save your base. It'll last you 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator. You want to whip up you or something, you got a stomach ache, feeling nauseated, you want to whip up you a ginger ale soda, keep you some club soda, keep your syrup, and mix it up, and you got you some homemade ginger ale soda, baby. Yeah. So if you like this video, you found value in this video, hit the like button. If it's your first, second, or third time, maybe even your fourth time, hit the subscribe button. What you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it, because we do it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone, baby. Yeah.